sip and serve with Russell's.
Hello everyone. Today, let's make a bold and fiery pepper-style chicken curry. Here's what you need: butter, coconut milk, pepper, chicken curry powder, roasted curry powder, cumin powder, garlic ginger-coated chicken, tomato, onion, curry leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, green chili, and capsicum. Start off by heating some oil in your pan. Drop in a few cardamom pods and a stick of cinnamon to build that rich, aromatic base. Next, add in your garlic ginger-coated chicken. Give it a moment, then add in some cumin powder and a generous knob of butter. Stir everything together and let the flavors melt into the chicken. Time to bring in the heat. Add crushed black pepper, roasted curry powder, curry powder, and your chicken curry powder. Mix it all up till the chicken is beautifully coated. Now toss in a few curry leaves for that fresh, earthy note. Give it one more mix. Pour in just enough water to help everything simmer nicely. Then add in chopped tomato, sliced onion, green chili, and a handful of capsicum. Let it all cook down a little, just until the veggies soften. Now pour in your coconut milk. Gently shake the pan to help it settle in. Don't rush this part. Once it's soaking in, stir the curry and season with salt to taste. For that final layer of richness, drizzle a bit of coconut oil. Then add the rest of your fresh tomatoes, onions, and capsicum. Give it one last mix and let it come together beautifully. And that's it. Your pepper-style chicken curry is ready. Serve it hot, garnish as you like, and dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.